Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2009 GMC Yukon XL. Stock number is A6931A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with hand-cooked Dynapro tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have second row bucket and third row third row bench seating. Your second row seats are heated seats. You have dual rear facing entertainment centers here. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side. Then swinging around the back end, rear backup sensors into camera on the back. Taking a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. You have a power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Both passenger and driver seat are heated seats, and the driver's side has 2-point memory seating. 4-wheel drive control, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo as well as your navigation and the display for your rear backup camera. And your dual climate controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Yukon on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.